My preference is to use the pitch or up and down movement for the vacuum and to use the pivot motion or yaw, where I pivot on my heel and move my toes to the right for the ultrasound power in lateral linear fashion. That's because the up and down movement is more natural, ergonomic, and precise. It allows me to easily achieve the precise amount of vacuum for both gripping and then aspirating nuclear material with the tip. Since I'm only using a small burst to phacoaspirate a fragment that I've already attracted and gripped with the vacuum, I don't need as much precision. I typically set lower levels of ultrasound, about 0 to 30. Set up this way, the dual linear foot pedal allows for a more independent control of the vacuum and ultrasound energy compared to single linear.